Alright, what's up YouTube? Thank you everyone who subscribed to my channel so far. I think I have 13 subscribers now. Today I kind of wanted to make a quick video of me spending $20 in the thrift, but I'm only going to buy one thing. I'm going to call this Grail Hunters. We're going to surf the rails for some grails. Again, I'm going to take 20 bucks and see if I can't find one cool grail item and just see what I could find for like one single thing on a $20 budget. I don't always like to go into Goodwill and just like buy the coolest things I see. We all obviously are not made of money, so I find it very important to kind of budget yourself, especially if you're having like rough sales weeks. But yeah, so we're gonna take this 20 bucks. We might buy just like one t-shirt. We might buy a $5.99 sweater. It just really depends what we find and what we think is worth the value. We might not find anything at all. I might not leave with anything. It might not be worth it. But anyways, yeah, so let's take this money, go to Goodwill and see what we find. To Goodwill, we got our 20 bucks. Let's go inside, see what we can find. This Goodwill's not like the best, but they got some good stuff. I mean, it's like the best one in my area, I think. But let's just see what we can find. I haven't been here in like a couple days, so. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go hit everything: shirts, sweatshirts, shoes. See what we can find for the best price. I only want to buy one thing with my budget, so we'll start with the t-shirts. Quietly fishing. There you go. There really isn't much in the shirts. That's pretty cool. It's new stuff on. Damn, let's go up in there. Shirts are super dry today. Damn, this thing's super rad. I might just get it, that's fine. Diego stuff. That's hilarious. Alright. Dude, this thing's kinda cool. Vintage Florida shirt. I really like that. Extra large. Alright. going. Dude, are you kidding me? This thing's wild. Tell me if I can get freaking deer. Okay. It's a new style tag. I like this thing. Huh. Damn, some good old Smitchy. Well, alright, I got this old Tommy. Long sleeve polo. Actually, I want this thing. Whoa, okay. There we go, that old Nautica sailing gear. This thing's loud, I like this. See, here we go, that's a good piece. That's in our budget. Looks pretty good too. So I think this is gonna be on the list. Let's grab this sucker. Pass on the Tommy. It's nothing fancy. Dude, this old Packers turtleneck though. Dude, this thing's kind of cool. It's pretty dry though. Damn, this area is hot with the Nautica and the freaking polo. There's so many like polo assassin shirts. But alright, I like that Nautica. Go with that from here. Let's see what they got for pants. Always like to check the pants. They're simple to check too. I always just look at the little back tag. Like I always look at this patch. Whoa, okay. Another one. This thing's super cool. I'm definitely gonna have to add this to the list, but it's got a little duck down here. I think we can get that out of there. This thing's rad. Uh-oh. Getting kind of crazy over here. Alright, we're adding that one to the list. Alright, you guys, so I ended up buying two things with that $20. I'll show you guys what I scooped. It's probably the best two items I thought for the price. I didn't want to spend all my $20, but there was just one thing that I wanted to get, and the other one was pretty badass too. But yeah, I'm about to go get some coffee real quick. We'll run home, and then I'll show you the two things that I got, and I'll tell you why that I got them over everything else in the store. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to show you what I found in the thrift for Grail Hunters. I told you I was going to scoop one thing for 20 bucks. I ended up leaving with two just because I thought the other piece was super dope. So when I was surfing the rails, I saw this Nautica. It looks like an old Nautica like competition. It's got this super dope zipper attachment, that old Nautica tag. It's cool. I like the colorway on here, and I like how it's got the flags, like the yellow and the white, super cool on this blue. But yeah, it's got a little stain and some cat hair on it. I'm definitely gonna run this through the wash or something. But I nabbed this just because it's got that classic Nautica look. I love the colors on this, like I said, and it's just one of those pieces that I figured if I'm going to spend the money, I definitely could probably get a little bit of return out of this. I think I only paid maybe like $4 or $5 for it, and I'll probably list it for like 25, 30. It's a super dope classic Nautica piece. But the second thing I grabbed was this dope old school Tommy Hilfiger windbreaker. I had to grab this. It's got a little bit of stainage down here. I think they'll come out. All the zippers function. It's got all the attachments for the zippers, and it's cool because this one's orange and these other ones are blue, which I thought was dope. It's got the Tommy Hilfiger spell out right here. It's got that Tommy big flag in there. It's got this little like orange liner on the inside right here. It's super cool. I really like this. I thought it like popped pretty awesome. Like the colors are just really cool. I don't think there's anything on the back side, and there's not. It's just plain. But again, yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video of like grail hunting. I just feel like I don't always have enough money to shop and like buy the best stuff or a lot of stuff. So if I have 20 bucks, it's nice to just kind of go scope a store out and see what I can get for that 20 bucks. And these were the two things that I scooped. So they'll be for sale on my Depop. If you look, if you go on Depop, it's www.depop.com/secondhand throwbacks. Yeah, so these are the scoops that I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and follow me on Instagram at Secondhand Throwbacks. Follow me on TikTok at Secondhand Throwbacks, and shop my Depop. It's Secondhand Throwbacks on there, or you can go to www.depop.com/secondhand throwbacks. I'm on eBay at Secondhand Throwbacks and Macari at Secondhand Throwbacks. Thanks again, man, and we'll do another video of Grail Hunters, but I hope you guys liked what I picked out. Peace.